Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A34 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first open Messages and go to a new one. Here we've got the current keyboard. Once you want to change it, just tap on Settings icon, click on Languages and Types and click on Manage Input Languages. Apply the one that you want to have, unmark the unwanted one, then let's go back. Just give it a couple of seconds to apply. Okay, so actually we've got two languages right now. You can switch them on the word icon. However, if it's properly turned off, like English, it should not be available here. So let me switch it off again. And now the default language should be Arabic. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.